Would you like to hear a secret that can skyrocket your Shopify sales? Over the past few years, I've helped countless Shopify store owners boost their sales, and they all struggled with the same issue. How can I increase my conversion rates and my average order value? And after thousands of tests, I've learned that it doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'm going to reveal a couple of psychological hacks that will make your offer so appealing that your customer won't be able to refuse it. I'll show you why it works and how to set it up on your Shopify store, and the best part is that you don't need any technical knowledge to have it done, and it can be implemented in minutes. You will just need to follow my step-by-step tutorial and wait for the results to come in. If you've been looking for an easy way to boost your Shopify store sales, this video is for you. Make sure that you stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you how to implement the strategy and give you a bonus tactic that will make your Shopify store a lean, mean selling machine. Here are the results this store had after implementing this simple strategy. Here is a refresh. The difference speaks for itself, doesn't it? Marketers have been using psychological hacks for a long time, and in order for you to make a success out of your online business, you will have to start using them as well. One such psychological hack that I don't see merchants using enough is offering a free gift when the customer reaches a certain threshold. Such an easy yet powerful strategy. But what exactly is a gift with purchase promotion? Simply put, it's a sales strategy where the business offers customers a free gift in exchange for their purchase. This could be tied to a specific product or a minimum purchase amount. Think about it, how often have you upgraded your service or added extra items to your cart just to get a freebie? I'm guessing it happened more times than you'd like to admit. Actually, 70% of consumers would switch from their go-to brand for a free gift. Free gifts aren't just a nice surprise for the customer. They are a strategic tool that can significantly impact your bottom line. Imagine a customer considering a $20 purchase. If they learn they can get a free gift with a $25 order, they are likely to add another item to their cart to reach that threshold. This simple tactic increases the average order value. Or consider a customer who hesitate to complete a purchase. They might be comparing prices or unsure about the product. The promise of a free gift can be the tipping point that convinces them to finalize the purchase. By using free gift campaigns, you can turn hesitation into action, leading to increasing sales and happier customers. Imagine trying a new restaurant and getting a free appetizer. It makes you more likely to return, right? The same principle applies here. There are many ways to incorporate free gifts into your Shopify store. For instance, capitalize on special occasions or holiday seasons, offering gifts during product launches, set a minimum purchase amount, or create limited time offers to drive immediate action. Use these strategies to encourage upsells, clear inventory, enhance customer loyalty, and reduce cart abandonment. Free gifts can also generate word-of-mouth marketing and create a sense of urgency, driving quicker purchases. The second psychological trick is to associate your free gift with purchase campaign with a progress bar. It's not enough to set up a gift with purchase campaign if you do not make it visible on your store. Having an announcement text at the top of your page is not going to cut it. Users often overlook announcement bars, but they do pay attention to their shopping carts. When customers see in their cart drawer a progress bar indicating they are close to earning free shipping or a free gift, it creates a sense of urgency and excitement. This not only encourages them to complete their purchase, but often leads them to add more items to their cart. A great way to add these features to your store is by using the Monk free gift checkout upsell app. To add the Monk app to your store, you're gonna go in the description of this video, or you're gonna go to the Shopify app store and you're gonna search for Monk. The app looks something like this. Monk free gift plus checkout upsell. You're gonna click on it and then you're gonna hit install here. After the installation, you're gonna find it inside your apps and you're gonna open it up. And this is the apps dashboard. If it's gonna say disabled here, that means that you're gonna have to hit this button over here. This is gonna send you to the customizer where the Monk app will have a toggle. If it's on, leave it like that and hit save. If it's off, you're gonna have to turn it on and then hit save. After saving, head back to the app and hit the fetch status. That will refresh the app and turn it to enable. And now you can create your first funnel. By hitting this button over here or this one here, you can create create a new funnel. You can see also all the other widgets that the app has to offer, and there are a lot and they are really useful, but we're going to focus on this one over here, which is a free gift with purchase campaign that has a progress bar. We're going to create new and we're going to rename it, add in here a relevant name. For me, it's going to be free scrubs, and I'm going to hit create. This is the first step of creating this free gift campaign. We can make it visible for the cart page, and this includes also the cart drawer if you're using a cart drawer, or on the checkout page, but this is for the Shopify Plus account, so I'm going to stick with the cart page and the cart drawer. And then I'm going to add a rule, and this depends on your campaign. You can create different types of campaigns. You have a lot of options in here. For example, you can create a campaign that is specific for a collection. If the customer buys more items from a certain collection, you can give them a gift. If they buy certain products, you can link that to a gift. You can do that depending on the country or on the languages. And you can explore these rules in here. And I'm going to make a product specific campaign, and I'm going to leave it like that because that means all the products on the store will be available in this campaign. If the customer buys anything from my store, then I can give them a free gift. Also in here, we can set when the campaign will start. For me, it's going to start right away, so I don't need to do anything. But if you want to set it in the future, you can set it up in here. Then I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to go to the step 2. In here, I'm going to select the milestones for the rewards I'm going to give. I'm going to create a cart value campaign, but you can also create item count campaigns where you count the number of items they add to their cart in order for you to give them a gift. In my case, I'm going to make it cart value, and I'm going to say that if the cart value is greater or equals to 100, I am going to give them a gift, which I'm going to define in here. At the moment we have free shipping, but you can select free gift or custom reward. In free gift, you're just going to select the gift. So I'm going to browse through my products here and select the gift that I want to give, which is this product. It has more variants, but it's going to select one of them and add it as a free gift. So I'm going to add that. And once that's done, I can scroll down here to configurations. In here you have a bunch of checkboxes that represent different things. The one that I am interested in is this one over here. And this is going to depend on the theme that you are on. Certain themes will need this checkbox on. Certain themes can work without having this checkbox on. I'm gonna uncheck it in my case. I am on a down 15 version theme, which works without refreshing the cart. But in case your free gift doesn't get added to the cart without having this checkbox on, you will have to just check it on and leave it like that. I'm going to show you how it works with this checkbox on and off. Then underneath you can go and edit the content of your widget, which you're gonna see here. I'm gonna just change this to free scrubs, which is my reward. If you want to edit more stuff in here, you can do that. Then I'm gonna go to my widget, which is this one. You can either show an icon like that, or you can change it to a marker, which is more subtle, and on some themes maybe this would look better. I'm just gonna use the icon in my case, but if you think the other one looks better, you can use that. You can also show icon on desktop, and on mobile, for example, you can change it to marker. So whenever you go to desktop, you're gonna have the icons. Whenever you go to mobile, then you're gonna get the markers. The widget also can be edited further here. So if you want to customize more, you can hit this button and go into a customizer. In here, I think I'm gonna change the font size because I think it's a bit big. So I'm gonna go to desktop and change it to 12, change this to 12, change this to 12. I think this looks a little bit better, and on mobile as well. Remember, you have mobile friendly settings. So if you want to make sure that it looks great on mobile, switch between these two toggles. And I am going to go to color. And in here, you can change a bunch of colors. So you can change the background of the widget. I think I'm going to set this to a light gray. Then I'm going to go down to my bar and I'm going to make that a red. Then I'm going to go and color the empty part with a lighter red, something like that. Then I'm gonna go out of this one and go to spacings. One thing I want to change is this padding here. I'm going to change it to 5 so it's a little bit closer. Then this icon is a bit big. You can change that by changing the sizing there. Again, if you want to change something on the mobile version, you can do that by clicking the mobile tab and then adjusting the settings in here. In my case, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I think it looks good. Then I'm gonna hit back. If your store, for example, uses a different currency that has a different symbol, you can change that in here. You can add your custom currency. And when you're happy with your widget, you're just gonna save the changes and the widget will update. Again, if you want to schedule the campaign for a future date, you can do that on the first step. But because I want to just activate the funnel, I'm gonna hit this button over here. And now my campaign should be active already. And I can see that right here. If I go to my page and if I refresh, whenever I add products to cart, I should see that progress bar over there. And once I add multiple products to cart, the bar will update. So whenever I meet my threshold, I should get that free gift inside the cart. And you saw that the cart refreshed. With some themes, you can have that without the cart refreshing. Let's try again. I'm gonna just add 4 products to the cart and the bar will automatically fill and it's gonna refresh. This works fine, but on some themes, you could go and edit the funnel. Go to step number 2. And in here, uncheck the refresh page and then save. Then if I go and add more products to the cart, I'm gonna see that the progress bar gets filled and the product gets added without that refresh. Again, this works on some themes and some themes need a refresh because of the way they are built. With the Dawn 15 theme, you don't need the refresh. Let's try that again. I'm gonna go and add 2 more here. And whenever the target gets met, the free gift gets added to the cart, and that's my campaign. Now that you have your free gift with purchase campaign set and you are announcing it to the customer using the progress bar, here is the golden nugget, the bonus tactic that will almost ensure the customer will add more products to their cart. Using the same app, help the customer add more products to their cart by presenting a cross-selling widget. This can lead to spontaneous purchases and closing of the circle. The customer gets a free gift, and you get a larger order value. Now, in order to add a cross-sell widget on here, we will have to go back to the app, and inside there, we're gonna create a new funnel. We're gonna scroll down to cross-sell, and we're gonna go to the cart cross-sell over here. Create a new cross-sell widget, name it. I'm gonna say free scrubs cross, and I am going to create this. In order to include all the products on the store, we're gonna select here specific product and equals to anything. That means that all the products on the store will be part of this campaign or will trigger the visibility of this widget. Then we're gonna hit next. If you know exactly what products go well with others, then you can select them in here manually. You just scroll down and select whatever you think suits better. If not, you can just enable auto recommendation and then the monk app will select the products for you. I'm just gonna assume as a store owner that I know the products a bit better, so I'm gonna select some products that I think they will be good options for cross-selling, and I'm gonna add them in there. They will be displayed here. Then I have some advanced configurations in here, and again we have such an option to refresh the page after clicking the add button. This might be needed on some themes. On the Dawn 15 version, it doesn't need to be checked because it works out of the box, but if on your theme the product doesn't get added to the cart drawer, then you have to select this option so that the page refreshes and the product gets added to your side cart. So I'm going to leave it unchecked for me, and I'm going to show you in a second how that looks like. Then you can apply a discount to the products and you can edit again the content. By clicking this button, you're going to see all the text from that widget and you can edit that, and you're going to see the widget at the end. I'm going to use the basic one, but you can change here the template, and if you want to go and change colors and font size and all of that, you can do that in here. Again, you have desktop version, you have mobile version. I'm just going to keep it like that because I just want to show it to you. So I'm going to activate funnel. Now if I go back to the product page and add a couple of products to my cart, I'm going to see here that I have the progress bar and I have the cross-sell widget, and I'm going to add one more product to the cart. The progress bar will be filled and then the free gift will be added to the cart, and this way the customer would have spent more money with us. Of course, the mockup has many more options, feel free to explore, and this is also visible on the cart page. So if you're going to go to your cart page, you're going to see the widget that we just set up is visible on top of the cart. So in case your theme doesn't use a cart drawer, this widgets will be visible on the cart page as well. Make sure the progress bar and cross-sale recommendations are clear and easy to understand, and always stick to your promise. If you offer a free gift or free shipping, make sure it's easy for the customers to receive it. Also, don't overload your cart with too many offers at once, as this can lead to decision fatigue and cart abandonment. Upsells and free gifts are powerful ways to increase your Shopify store's conversions and average order value. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. For more conversions and AOV hacks, you can watch this video next.